Welcome, guys. You can be able to provide answer to this question if you watch episode number 1 to number 8. This is number 9, and it is the SSC past question 1993. A five-member committee is to be formed from 6 boys and 4 girls. If the committee must include exactly 2 girls, we have to find the number of ways in which the committee could be formed. So this is just number of ways of selecting people for a committee. Then we are dealing with boys and girls. And here means multiplication. So we are going to just deal with first number of boys, how many boys we are having available, which is representing the n. Number of boys we have is 6 boys. Then number of girls we have available is also going to be 4. These 4 girls we have. Now we need to deal with number of ways of selecting. How many girls are we to select if the committee must include exactly 2 girls? So it means we are going to be selecting what? 2 girls. So number of ways of selecting 2 girls, where in this case the girls are being selected from here. This is a number of girls we are having. So we can say that here is the N and this 2 is the R. That will give us N combination R, which is going to be 4 combination 2, which will give rise to 4 times 3 on 2 times 1. That will give us what? 6. 6 ways. So there are 6 ways of selecting 2 girls from the 4 girls available. Then we deal with number of ways of selecting. How many boys are we going to select? Remember, we are forming 5-member committee, and in that committee 2 of them are already what? Girls. So how many are left for boys to occupy? We have 3 positions for girls, for boys to occupy. So number of ways of selecting 3 boys will also become, the N here is going to be from which pool of numbers, as is where the group of people we have. We have 6 boys available, and we need to select only 3. So this is the N. This is our N, and this become what? The R. So that gives rise to 6 combination what? 3, which is going to be 6 on 5 on 4, then 3, 2, 1. Again, this is 6, so we have 20 ways. So therefore, the number of ways of selecting 5-member committee is going to be, the first one we have. So let's just make it 4 combination 2 times 6 combination 3, which in this case become 4 is 6. This is what? 20. Combine that together, that gives us what? 120 ways. We have 120 ways of selecting 5-member committee from 6 boys and what? 4 girls. Where in this case, the committee must have exactly what? 2 girls. I'm sure this is also clear. If you have not watched the episodes from 1 to 8, I will indulge you to go back to the channel, which is the YouTube. You can get the playlist, permutation and combination. You can check all the episodes. On permutation, we did up to 17 episodes. Preview yourself with those videos. Try to review those videos and come back to the next episode, which will be episode number 10. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.